So for today's meal, we have a cauliflower fried rice with some basil mixed in, sauteed kale, and then I have some lamb over here, which I just seasoned with salt, rosemary, and some garlic powder, and of course avocado. And then I don't have it here, but I'll also have my apple cider vinegar drink without the stevia. So this is today's meal, and if I'm still hungry after I'm done with this, I'll go back and get some more. I plated the lamb for the sake of the video right after I took it out of the oven, but before I ate it, I went ahead and I seared it in a skillet 2 minutes for each side, and this was the end result. It was absolutely delicious.